Good morning, Globetrotters. It is the final day of Vlogmas, as well as the final day of our prepping our pot of pepper pot. As you saw, I already placed the final ingredients in the pot, the onions and peppers that we diced yesterday, and I'll leave those in the pot for about an hour and let the pot come to a boil, and then I'll turn it off. And I will also, you also saw that I'm obviously not making bread today. Just woke up not feeling it today. And at this stage in life, I have learned to just go with what happens in the morning, what I'm feeling in that day. So instead, I have a backup plan of some brioche rolls, which my son and I love. We love bread. And so baking bread was probably going to be a bad thing, because the whole house would smell like bread for the entire week, and we would just be eating bread with just big chunks of butter and big chunks of cheese all week long. So, but the brioche rolls, I recommend those over regular bread if you're going to go with bread. And if you can't get fresh baked bread, then those are great. And also the croissants, those will be great for dipping in that. And I'll make a fresh pot of rice tomorrow, so it'll be all nice and hot and steamed to perfection. But today's gonna be a chill day. I woke up and decided that, you know, I was gonna wake up late, first of all, because I woke up first at about 2 in the morning, and that's just how I go. If I go to sleep early, which I did, go to sleep early, then I'll end up waking up way too early. So early for me is before 11. So I went to sleep early and I woke up early and got some work done. Basically just organizing and putting things away and packing things up and wrapping things up and all of that. But just the basic maintenance of the home things that I do. And then I went back to sleep. So I woke up about 9 and decided just to get ready for the day, get dressed, put on my Christmas pajamas, come down, make myself a nice hot cup of tea with a honey stick in it. And these clover honey sticks, I got it in a container from TJ Maxx, and I'll show you that on the screen. But yeah, so I am going to spend the day just being relaxed. I'm going to spend the day just reflecting on the meaning for the season, on the real reason for the season. I'm going to try to keep in a headspace that's positive, all the things that are going well in my life, all the things that are positive in my life. Thank you guys for rocking with me through 24 days of Vlogmas. This is my first year on YouTube. Thank you to all my subscribers and all of my viewers. I truly appreciate you guys for being a part of this great year for me. If you're new here, I'm Lori, and I started this channel in February of this year. And I have a goal of trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of this year. And if you know me personally, I'm a go-getter. I like to go after whatever my goals are. But this is one of those things that I don't have a whole lot of control over. I'm just hoping that you guys will also share this content with other people. For smaller channels and for newer platforms on YouTube, it's harder to get eyes on your channel. It's harder to get in front of people. And so you sharing and you just thumbs upping the video, those are easy and free ways of helping the channel to grow. And so I appreciate all of you who have been doing that. Today, I'm just going to share with you some of my favorite Christmas albums in case you're looking for Christmassy types of things to do to get you and keep you in that mood. Favorite Christmas music, I can tell you right off the bat. Mariah Carey's Christmas album, Kelly Clarkson's Christmas album, Whitney Houston, the OGs, you know, going back to Natalie Cole and Nat King Cole and all of those little feels. But if we're talking contemporary, I'm talking Pentatonics, I'm talking Mariah Carey, I'm talking Kelly Clarkson. Those will be playing nonstop. And as far as movies, my absolute favorite movies in the world are Julie Andrews movies, Sound of Music, and of course, Mary Poppins. But so, because musicals is my favorite genre. And so today I'm going to be watching probably Mary Poppins and Sound of Music. And then my contemporary favorite Christmas movie is Jingle Jangle, which came out during lockdown. And it's on Netflix, only on Netflix, and it stars Forest Whitaker, and I believe John Legend is the musical producer for that. So it's a musical as well, but it's a contemporary musical, and it's just beautiful. There are, you know, other cute little Christmas movies about, but if you don't want anything Christmassy, I've gotten into Black Cake, the series on Hulu. It's very good. If you don't want to have something that's too sentimental, of course, there's always like reality stuff to watch. I see that there's a new season of Dubai Bling on Netflix, so I will be binging that. I will also be just, you know, catching up on some of the shows that I have not gotten a chance to look at, some of the podcasts that I wish to listen to and those kinds of things when I get, you know, over the, you know, listening to too much Christmas stuff or watching too much Christmas stuff. But overall, I'm trying to avoid the news. I'm trying to just focus on all the positive things and all the feel-good things. If you want, you can just turn on a Hallmark movie, you know, or turn on a Lifetime movies and Merry Little Christmas, Merry Little Baby, Merry Little Wedding with Kelly Rowland. But there are all these little cute little merry little things, and they're also on Hulu. There is just so much to be thankful for. I wish you all the most Merry Christmas. I wish you all the happiest of holidays, season's greetings, however you wish to be addressed. I don't want to offend anyone. And I hope that you have a peaceful new year. I hope that you have a blessed new year. Check me out over on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll probably be posting reels and dumps, photo dumps over there. This will probably be my last video for the year, but you will see like shorts and reels and stuff like that from me over on those two platforms because, as I said, I've been doing everyday vlogging for the last 24 days, even while I was traveling to Europe while I was in Europe and then coming back from Europe. And so I'm just going to relax and enjoy. And I hope that you take some time to have some peace. I'm going to step out into the sun in a moment and ground myself and just let the vitamin D just soak into my system and just really enjoy the day. Thank you for rocking with me this year, and I look forward to so many more memories and so many more fun things in the new year. Ciao.